Yo, 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 what up? What up? Yo, how does this look right now on the stream? What up, Pen? Visually speaking, what's this look like on the stream? Yo, I'm trying new settings. Like shit, what's wrong with it? What's the issue? Dude, I'm trying to, well, someone's email's not getting read for another day. I'm just trying to look at settings. Market is dead. Just sitting here. I went to, yeah, I know because I'm using a different thing. I'm doing a 25 like 40 by something else. You should be able to watch. See, I have 1440p right now. Someone was complaining I only had 720 yesterday before. Now I got 1440p. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I just want to make sure it looked good because I have no idea. Dude, I was super worried I was gonna have to restart this shit. To be reals. Yo, smash the like button. Yeah, I smashed the trades today. That's how I wanted it for keeps. I don't know. I'm just playing with all the settings. What up, Andrew? Andrew Tate. Dude, I've been messing with this Claude thing basically for the last hour and a half. Long or short here? What up, Ron? All right, let's see what we got. Dude, gold just died. Gold literally hasn't moved anywhere for the last hour and a half. Completely dead. Yo, it looks good, futures. It looks nice and crisp. The next thing I got to tackle is I got to fix the trading view indicator thing. Somebody says they emailed me what the issue was going on, what was going on. I will tackle that hopefully tonight. I can only do so many things because I could do that and run Claude at the same time. Yo, what data do you use, Sean, for back testing from Ninja? Did you download the data? Because it only allows 10,000 bars to be pulled. Wait, without the thumbnail? What thumbnail? What thumbnail are you talking about? Yo, what up, Hector? Yeah, well, it should look really good. It should be seamless. Back for more pain. Yeah, I export. All right, so you did the same thing. You exported data. I exported 90 days. Try to keep it clean. Don't want to be itchy after the stream. Yeah. The Fed minutes are out. Yo, Nvidia earnings after hours. What you did that, it looks clean. What I do, I got a whole new computer. Dude, I just want to go to payout land. Just bring me to payout land and get this freaking Ninja Trader shit working. I'll be honest with you, I stopped looking at my account values, like how much they are, and that's actually been a great thing for me, to be honest. Just an FYI. Like just get rid of this. To be honest, I don't even really want to look at this. I just want to keep trading, and then I just look at it at the end of the day. Because now I'm like, oh my god, I'm 1,000 away from a payout here. Like I'm almost, you start getting like, oh, I'm almost at a payout. Oh no, and your butthole gets tight. Yo, Iran's president doesn't think they're gonna fucking surrender. Where did I order from? Crosshair. Yeah, it took about a week to get to me. But yeah, so far I will say, bro, this computer is so fast. I look up like the CPU usage and it's like 5%. Whatever, I got everything fucking running. It's like 5%. Damn, that's a lot of money. It's better not to look. Yo, just remember, does that pro account have, you could pass that in one day, right? pretty sure those you pass in one day. Consistency is only on the funded on those. Yeah, Iran doesn't seem like, Fed minutes, a smaller number of participants judged it would be appropriate to lower the Fed rate. Majority of participants said some policy firming would likely become appropriate if inflation were to continue running above 2%. Many policymakers would have preferred to remove easing bias from the policy statement. Yeah, it happens though, man. The good news is you got it. You got where you needed to go to. That's all that matters. Netanyahu and Trump held tense call over Iran policy. Iran wants to go back to war. U.S. kind of wants to end it, I think. Netanyahu expressed he wants to continue military pressure on Iran. Woo, woo! Yeah, man, I don't know. Wow. You want to see what the top of the market looks like? OpenAI aiming for an IPO as early as September. I'm calling it right now. The market is going to peak at September. That's the peak. You heard it here first. All that matters is you have the account. I think you can push it live right now if you wanted to. U.S. threats won't impact Iran's decisions. Cool. OpenAI has been laying the groundwork for an offering expected to value north of $1 trillion. What's up, Happy? What's up, Leg? It says 420, but you never know when it's going to come out. You never know what you're going to get. You're just trying to keep making money, man. Gold hasn't done anything. I can't trade gold like this. Yeah, Chris, I'm going to play Nvidia earnings. Hell yeah. What did last Nvidia earnings do? I think it went up and then down. Just been stacking gains all morning, pretty much. I have like one real red account. They did something weird where it came out, the market didn't move, and then it moved 2 minutes later. Remember that? Bro, it was a huge delayed reaction. I don't know what's going to happen this time. Awesome. At 1 o'clock, U.S. military boarded an Iranian flagged oil tanker. Guess that oil's ours now. The U.S. has sent a new tax to Iran. Tax? U.S. is now taxing Iran? I'm fucking super tired. I actually don't know if I might not even drink the coffee, and I might just grab a Celsius in about 30 minutes. Bro, that's what it sounds like. They're just sliding into each other's DMs. My question is, if I'm in 2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock. Oh, okay. That is. I was wondering if it was working. Okay, there. That's the low of the previous hour. Okay, cool. Are you up? Yo, Trump's like, yo, what are you wearing? Yo, Supreme Leader, what you got on? You got some fancy cloths on or what? Yo, what are they texting each other? Yo, do I dare go to Chat GPT and be like, what would Trump's pickup lines be to the Supreme Leader? Oh my God, am I gonna do this? Why don't we just sit here and wait? Oh, baby, here we go. You had me at historic summit. Are you sanctions relief? Because you've been on my mind all day and night. Oh. You must be nuclear because there's definitely chemistry here. I may control the straight, but you control my heart. Oh, man. Bro, ChatGPT is hysterical. Is this thing working? Let's see what we got here. Boom, 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 boom. Anyone taking a trade? I might just dick around. Dude, this thing's not doing anything. Look at this thing. What up, Jack?
Order filled. Order filled.
I do think at some point we push up. I think at some point we push up.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think we run into Nvidia earnings. That would be my honest opinion. It's waiting on Nvidia. I do think at the end we're going to run into earnings.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What up, Sammy?
Order filled.
Just scalping. Just scalping. What you doing? Ron here? What up, Mike? Yo, P-Long. What up, what up? You guys trading today? What's your deal? What's your deals today? Nvidia earnings will definitely get me in. That's for shit sure. The IB50, what is that, the first 50 minutes? What's the IB50? I'm curious. Ah, the halfway point. Interesting. What has it got to pull back to the halfway? Oh, so you got in on this wick down. Interesting. That's interesting. Boom. It's so freaking flat right now. It's crazy. Oh. Oh. Dude, I don't know why these numbers call me for 1 minute, not 1 minute, 1 second. It's like they want me to call them back or something. Who actually falls for that? If you fall for that, you're as stupid as my in-laws. Hopefully my wife's not on. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. I think we're going to go see this Newswick. I think we're going to go see that Newswick. That's 400 points up. Fuck it, right? YOLO?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, what up, Clint? Freaking getting it going. Oh. I don't know. That Newswick is just sitting there. It just kind of feels like it's going to touch it. Just seems like it. I want to sell some before we hit the 50 marker, and then I just want to move it up. Let's see what happens. That's for sure. Worst comes to worst, it loses, and this becomes a Nvidia account. Dude, did you see that screenshot I took before? So I will probably end up releasing the strategies that are made. But check this shit out. Like, I'll probably end up releasing some of this stuff. But like, Claude is just working, building strategies and back testing, and then telling you the trades, win rate, net P&L, drawdown, profit factor. Like, how fucking crazy is that? It just does all of it. That does the whole thing. How freaking wild. AI is so crazy, I can't even tell you about it. Yo, it seemed like the feed was delayed, but it wasn't. That was what went on. It was crazy. Oh, keep going, big boy. Let's go. I should take my money. Should. Come on. Are you in this, Sean? Yo, Schulster, I like shit like that. I'm super pumped, man. And it's not the fact that I need it, because obviously I don't need it. But it's going to be super fucking fun to use it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh. Yo, if you like your gains, take them. If you're happy and you know it, click sell.
Order filled.
Oh shit. I just turned that from negative to positive, like Biggie. Just another green account. Just another one. Honestly, if you made that your only trade of the day, you're done for the day. But yeah, Schulster, I'm going to have it do stocks, options, and futures. I am so freaking excited. You have no idea. You're adding some drawdown to your Nvidia account. That's how I saw it. If I took a loss, it's a Nvidia account. If I take a gain, I'm not going to risk an account that's halfway there. I really wanted to port, maybe not everything, but definitely everything on the stock and option side over to Discord, like in an alert section. Not for anybody to take it, just for like a knowledge standpoint. But yeah, it's it's all the way down there. It is what it is. Oh, I'm just looking. House Republican leaders are delaying a vote on an Iran war powers resolution that they previously set for Wednesday. Dude, how many milligrams of caffeine's in one of these things? I thought it was 200. How do you not fucking tell me? How do you not tell me? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, come on. Yo, did you see? I mean, you guys don't give a shit about it, probably. The whole Palantir thing, like how big Palantir actually is. Basically, they've latched on to so many companies that they can't. Trump, oh shit. You ready for this one? Oh my God. Trump will announce soon on a Cuba oil embargo. Watch this. We're gonna look. What will Cuba oil embargo do to the stock markets? And where should I invest in if it happens? The Eye of Sauron? Wow. Likely winners are going to be all of the gas companies, U.S. shale. Losers are going to be airlines and cruise lines. Dude, there's just something about AI, man. Cigars on sale. Can I get some cigars? Bro, that's what I want. I want a nice Cuban. I want a real good-looking Cuban to bring me a bunch of cigars. Bro, he literally says that, and now he says, oh my God. Trump on oil sanctions relief for Iran, not doing any until agreement is signed. Bro, this guy's all over the place. He literally just went from we're gonna take the sanctions off to now no sanctions until the agreement's signed. How do you even know? You don't even know what to believe anymore. Yo, I literally got out at the top here. Look at that. My thesis still holds, though. I still think we're gonna run into. I still think we run into Nvidia earnings. That hasn't changed. I'm gonna take another shot here. Let's see what account. I'm just looking at my accounts to see which ones. Oh, I passed that. That's a past one. Oh. If you look, this is the trend, right? Guys, you're not going to learn this unless you paid $6,500 for the trend course. But what makes Cuban cigars so good? It's just they grow in an area there that's good for tobacco. Well, what's the deal with that? Come right in this little pocket I'm going to buy. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just looking for a quick bounce back up. Come on. Get up there, Skippy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just working up my drawdown for Nvidia. Yo, I bet you are. Yo, is he showing his account numbers yet? Or trades on the screen? Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend. Why don't people show their account numbers? Like, oh, like serious question. Why would you not show your account numbers? Like, I don't know, you take a fucking screenshot if you want. Like, I don't give a shit. Take a screenshot. You know why I don't care? My account numbers don't fucking rotate every day. Anybody, not you guys, anybody who's streaming that doesn't show their account numbers. There's a reason why. It's for our protection. Yeah. It's so stupid. Whoever believes that shit is fucking... If you're not showing your account numbers, bro, they're just rotating. Well, not... Yeah, DVT. Fucking so stupid. Yo, buy my Discord, buy my course, but my account numbers, none of your business. I can't show you. They don't want you to see it. They're rotating them every day. You can't do anything with the account numbers. Can? The only thing you can do with a lot, like if I had a real brokerage account number, you could probably finagle a way to get access. Like if you had an account number, you knew my name, my address, you might be able to get access to it via some stupid guy on the phone. Other than that, it doesn't do anything. Do you like my car? And this car? And this car? Yeah, man, it just makes no sense. Listen, I don't want to say names. I just want people to think for themselves and see what's going on. That's all. I'm not here to out people. I'm here to open your mind up and have you just think on why things are like that. Yeah, I thought it was more of the black market mystique about it. Like it's just not accessible everywhere. Just anybody. Just anybody. I need to get like an ad blocker on this computer. Yo, anybody that's new, or just came on now from the last stream. Yo, does this stream look so much more clearer than this morning? Like, is this more clean than this morning? Or it doesn't matter to you? It looks the same. I'm trying to figure out if you guys are you even watching it in 1440? It's picking up some weird background noise. What does that background noise sound like? You're going to tell me if the background noise stops or not. Dude, that's my fucking AC vent. Watch, it's going to turn off in 2 seconds. What up, man? It's like a fan? Yeah, hold on 1 second. I got another freaking microphone. So I got this microphone, which is super expensive. I'm gonna plug it in tomorrow and I'll test it out. But this is that super colorful one that Best Buy got me to buy, like a fucking moron. It's like a $100-$200 mic. But yeah, hold on, it's gonna shut off in 2 seconds. I'm waiting for it to just. I wonder if I move my mic here. Like, do you hear it that much now? Did it go down or not down? There it goes. It just stopped. You probably don't even hear anything now. Right now, you hear something, Clint? Gone. That's my fucking AC vent. I'm going to see if I plug this thing in, it will fix it. This is it. I'm going to plug that in later on. Let me get this over. I'm going to get a Celsius real fast. Bro, this guy's about to get 0 fucking stars from me from Instacart. Oh. Yo, he picked up a Celsius thing and got like the worst fucking flavors ever. It's gone? Boom. Holy shit. Woo. Yo, we done a numbers game on the new computer? Yeah, noise is gone. Hey. Yo, I'm on 1440p right now. You can adjust it. You can watch me in super high def. Holy shit. Bro. We're gonna run a numbers game as soon as the fucking chat cools off for 2 seconds. Bro, wait till you see my butthole hairs, man. I saved that for Asia stream. Boom. I think it streams in 4K right now because my camera is 4K and all my settings are 4K. Trump on Iran will end soon one way or the other. Okie dokie. I think this thing blows through.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Right up to that imbalance, baby. Come on. You know you want to do it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Boing. That was quick money. That was a quick 15 points. Just building that Nvidia drawdown. Just building the Nvidia drawdown. Who's playing Nvidia earnings later on? I know I am. Smash the confetti. Yo, Rodrigo is back. Bro, my favorite OnlyFans guy. Bro. Such a good name. If that's his real name, it's probably Rodrigo, if I had to guess. It's probably his name. But that's a pretty cool one. What's up, man? We're going to run numbers game in like 2 minutes. Nah, that would be a good one, though. I imagine your first name is Rodrigo, if I had to guess. How close am I? Probably right on. Yeah. Pretty cool, man. That was a good idea, whoever came up with that. Bro, if you had an OF profile though, Rodrigo would be like a good like name to go by. Oh, fucking Trump back and forth, dude. Come on. Just another day. All right, let's run this thing. You want some numbers game? You ready for numbers game? Who wants it? Is that a one? What up, Estrada? Is that a 1 minute candle chart? This? Yes. I don't really make all my decisions on there. I make a lot of my decisions based on the trading view chart. But honestly, we're just keep. Dude, we didn't even start yet. I'll start it right now. Go. Start now. Go. Go. We started. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This one's a hard one. Holy shit. Somebody's getting close. Oh, mother. No one's gotten it? Dude. It's between 80 and 100. Yo, these numbers are going so fast. I don't know. Oh my God. No one's gotten it. It's 90 to 100. It's 95. Somebody just typed in 95. Somebody just typed in 95. Happy did. Is that the first one though? All right. This is the first one I got. Is it Happy? No. Cam was the first one. Cam was the first one. Yeah. Cam. Damn, man. Dude, it was going so fast. I couldn't even keep up. Dude, it only shows me 3 on there, PG. It doesn't even show you on there. It showed me Cam, Happy, and that was it. Cam and Happy. What up, Raul? Yo, if you want an account this week, I'm going to answer everyone's email today. I got a coach at 5:30, and then I'm going to do all my emails tonight. Just an FYI, because I think Raul won. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, who just subscribed? I promise for keeps to get you. Yo, what up, Pablo? Appreciate it. I promise. Dude, I had a lot of shit. I wanted to set this computer up. A lot of coaching, art, science shows. Bro, the science fair thing was wild. I went to yesterday. Come on. I'm just looking for a little bit. I'm not looking to be greedy. Come on. I know you want to go up, NQ. Nvidia earnings after hours. Nah, I will get every single one of you guys. Believe me. Dude, I was talking about it yesterday. I might make an AI agent that literally, when you email this email address, it just emails you back all the information, and then you send me your information, and then it automatically handles it all. You know, I might make it all automated somehow. Only because it's like, as soon as I leave here, I got like dad life stuff out the ass. It's crazy. I coach 2 kids sports, which are in full swing right now. I got 2 games each and 2 practices each a week. Plus concerts, plus science night. I've had accounts with them. I'm waiting. They're supposedly, you could ask Sean. They're awesome, by the way. There's no consistency rule when they go funded and everything. Sean's been promising me Tradeify for the last 2 months. So I've just been waiting for them to get on Tradeify. Honestly, my old computer, this trade is not copy trade. Amar, I am probably done. So this is why you back test. After 3 o'clock, my strategy goes lower, percentage win rate. So I'm probably not going to copy trade from here until the end of the day. Also, I only copy trade on gold And gold stopped moving. See how it's like just kind of dying out? I saw you on there short. I didn't know that. Is it? Oh man, am I gonna have to find this thing? Dude, I want to see it. Oh, yeah. I see myself. That was on a meeting that we did. We did like a podcast. Yeah. Yo, I appreciate it, Amar. Trade slowly. We were literally talking about that this morning. What up, Doc? We were talking about that this morning. Like, just trading slower, not, a lot of, somebody else was talking about it. I want to see the Cove casting video. Dude, that's a special video. The cleanup from that video was crazy. Yeah, man. Because the worst thing you can do is pay for 150s and then you blow them in like a day. It's like, just take it easy. What up, Midas? Nvidia earnings after hours. Honestly, my final target was this wick all the way up here. We're running out of time, so I don't know if we're going to get there, but that's where I thought we would go. Maybe we go there on Nvidia earnings on a pop. Come on. Yeah. Somebody asked me about copy trade. No, this isn't a copy trade account. I'll tell you what though. The more money the more money I make in this account, the less likely I'm going to YOLO it. We're going to see which way it goes, Chris. I'm just going to I'm probably going to buy before or I'll bracket trade it. Remember, if you're happy with your profits, just take it. Never wait on me to take your profits. Don't wait on me. There you go, Pablo. Hey, you might do better than me because I'm holding and watch it come back and get me out. Celsius time? What's I usually take it. I'll take some off to lock in gains. 1,000%. I always take it off early. I just can't hold till TP. Like once I start getting close, I'm like, just take it off. Like who cares? You know. You know, my idea is to lock in gains. I want to consistently hit small trades over and over and over and keep my losses small. That's all these. Like if you looked, you know, I made $200-300 taking $50 to $70 a trade. Nobody's doing that. Everybody wants the big money. You know, I just take small money over and over and over again because
Order filled.
$70 times 3 is $225, and that's it. And I'm not blowing accounts. You don't see me blowing accounts every day. Like, I'm just not. Can I blow accounts by YOLOing? Yeah. But do you just see me trading, making losses and losses and losses? No. You see, you know, I just blown one Apex eval today and almost about to pass 2 evals. All right, well, you're almost there. You're almost there. At least you didn't blow a funded account, Tris. I just take wins. Just keep freaking taking wins. Everybody wants these big numbers. It's going for the big number is going to kill your account. I'll just tell you that. Secure the bag, especially if you're not profitable. The idea is to stay in this as long as you can to then eventually hopefully become profitable. So by you waiting for these big trades that may or may not happen, I'd rather take a lot of small trades. Definitely don't want to blow a catfish or a puffer fish. But yeah, I mean, we've obviously been doing well. I love that you can see all my accounts now on the screen, by the way. I'm a huge fan of that. I'm a huge fan of that. Huge. You have to sleep? You're going to miss Nvidia earnings? It's okay. Night, night. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Later. Make sure you don't leave an order in. Boom, 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 boom. DJs unite. Dude, I used to have the DGen hammer. I don't know where that thing went. Somewhere in my office. Come on. Come on, man. Man, I don't know if this thing just keeps going. Look at this. Now my drawdown, now I'm starting to get to like, why would I YOLO this account? My drawdown's $1,000. Like, what's up, Kim? I'll give you a wave. Hey, Kim. What's up? Everybody having a good day today? Everybody in the club getting tipsy. I'm waiting for Trump to drop some news. Some Trump news. Trump will wait for Iran's response for a few days. Trump, we are dealing with reasonable people. Trump, if I don't get the right answers on Iran, it goes quickly. I need complete 100% good answers from Iran. Best trade of your career? What up, Joker? What'd you do? You trade in for a younger model? What's the best trade of your career? You long from 29. Damn. Are you in a personal account or are you in a prop firm account? Because I was going to say, I don't even think we were down there today, were we? Oh, we were down there today. We were talking about this on the morning stream, how we swept the orb low and then reclaimed it. I took this trade on gold. Don't add, I was doing something else. Bro, the new PC is awesome. How's the stream look, Happy? Damn, my Funded Futures funded account? Zero consistency? I'm guessing. How much you up? Yo, you held through this whole freaking drawdown? If you held through almost 200 points of drawdown, you were the fucking man. That's crazy. I'd have been out. I probably would have been out on that easily. Easily out. This is how every day looks, TJ. It's just I didn't have it on the computer screen for you. Now it's in everyone's face. That's the only difference. Because look here, yesterday, Lucid 50% off. Cove Trader, boom. Look how good that P&L looks. Look at that. These are all just day after day, by the way. But now it's in your face. I sound good. I'm glad I sound good. I am long NQ from COVID, bro. Yo, imagine doing that shit. I actually bought stocks. Oh, that wasn't the COVID low. That was the Trump April low. I bought a bunch of stocks. But yeah, it's so much nicer that the green is just in everyone can just see it now. Look at it. Look at my green. Look at it in the eye. Oh, man. Do we break out of this flag to the upside? Yo, what about them Knicks last night? Who saw that Knick game last night? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you watched that Knick game last night, woo, baby. Knicks are looking good. Oh, is this thing going to just go? I can't buy it up here. It just went up 10 points. Jeez. Bro. Yo, Harden can't guard Brunson. Let's be real. Let's just get that straight. I think Harden's defensive days are behind him. Bro, Harden couldn't guard me right now. I'll tell you what, Knicks had a 9-day layoff, and then they came back in the fourth quarter and won. The momentum swing is massive because Cavs just played, 2 7-game series. They're probably worn out. Knicks, was the layoff going to affect them? The answer is no, and now they're fresh. They just came off 9 days off, and they won. It's Wet Willie Wednesday. Bro, I love I came up with Motorboat and Monday, by the way. What's today? Swimming? Yo, Cavs look rough. They needed that win. Motorboat every day. We do camel toe Tuesday, ball sack Friday. We do thick girl Thursday. That's with Penguins. Wednesday's like a toss-up. Wednesday's a toss-up. I don't know what a good Wednesday is. Camel toe Tuesday is your favorite? Bro, we have songs for all of them also, which is great. I need a Motorboat and Monday song. The animal fridge race, the Italian brain rot. Yo, what up, Tim? Just freaking stacking gains, man. Nvidia earnings after hours today. Nvidia after hours. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got some accounts that I could probably run with. I definitely have a couple of accounts that I can run with. There you go, Tim. That's a solid day. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking out loud, like, frig. Need one quick drop? Looks like it's just going to keep grinding up. They're saying 420 on Nvidia, but who really knows? I think last time they came out early. Yo, Reese. Dude, he's hard to guard, man. Yo, you're back trading fibs, man? Yo, it works. It works, dude. People don't like using it for whatever reason. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know why people go away from it. Last time was 5 minutes late. Dude. Last time it like came out, nothing happened. It like whipped up a little bit. And then it came right back. And then all of a sudden it finally went. Something weird happened last time. Yeah, I use it on gold. I combined it in fibs with like bias. Man, I trade fibs a couple different ways now. I've kind of expanded. Profits and TPs. What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. I will say I am definitely Desiree's here. What's going on? Tawan's here. I gotta load up. I'm trying to think what accounts. I don't really have accounts that are like, dude, imagine I use my PA account. Do I copy trade? Yes, I copy trade. Yeah, I use Replicanto to copy trade. Yep. Well, you have a question about copy trading? I can help you out if you do. You just made $34 in profit? Yeah, man. What were you having trouble with? Maybe I can help you out. What are you having trouble with? What up, Cindy? I mean, listen, 34 bucks is better than being down 34 bucks. Nah, across prop firms. I use Lucid, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Alpha, Perdia, Elite, Apex, Trade Day, Tradeify. I use them all. The only ones I can't trade on there, I have Bulenox on Rhythmic. Especially if your neighbor's name is account. But yeah, I don't know. How are you trading, Tuan? What's the strategy you're running with? I'm about to test some strategies out right now. I got 10 strategies loaded up. Some that they're creating. Dude, I'm so obsessed with this Claude shit. I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with it. They do, as long as they're the lead, as long as they're the lead, but they don't have Tradeivy. So I have it on Quant Tower. If I had to start from the beginning, what would I have done differently? Yo, I'm going to be dead serious with you. What would I have done differently? I would have back tested strategies right away. Like any strategy that you see online, I would have back tested myself and kind of worked settings out that way. I would have done that because a lot of these people that tell you about strategies, they're not profitable. So like you're seeing somebody who's trading online that's telling you about some strategy and the strategy is not even profitable. I would back test everything and then I would forward test it, and you could forward test it yourself. I would look at a lot of, what's up, Maria? I would look at a lot of testing. Everything is about having the data, right? If you test and your back test is good, and then you forward test for like, say you back test for 3 months and it's good, and then you go into a live market and forward test it for like a week or two, like, you have a solid strategy at that point, right? So I would get right into the testing phase. Listen, you got to treat this like a real fucking business. If you're not treating this like a business, then you're going to lose. If this is your business, you should know the stats around everything, right? It's the same way. You don't just come in here, buy evals, YOLO them, and you just kind of like, if you're just sitting here and be like, yo, this kind of looks good, I think it's going to go up, kind of looks like it's going to drop, like, and you're serious and that's like your full strategy, no, you should say, hey, man, the probability of it's going up is X amount. Yeah, use cheap accounts, man. Don't spend money on expensive prop firm accounts. Go use Bulenox or use free Ninja Trader accounts. There's a lot of things you could do. A lot of videos to watch from me and other people. Like, I have a ton of videos on strategies and talking about stuff. What up, Dreamer? I just think that you just got to put the time and effort really into it and just get lost in it. Like, Altu, what's up? I just feel like your best bet is to have the data all around. And you know what? You should probably start off on like a 5-minute chart, maybe, because it moves slower. I would trade no more than 3 micros at a time, probably 2 micros. I would just keep it pretty simple, man. There's stuff, I got free stuff. Like, I don't use it, but like, I'll show you some stuff. Like Ninja Trader, you can test out. Like, you can just test out. Like, on Ninja Trader, you can like put a script in, a strategy, and then you could start back testing. Like, oh, okay, like, maybe I do, only this, like, you kind of edit things around, and then you kind of see like what it is. You really just got to test. There's a back tester on Ninja. You can do it manually. There's so much data. There's so much data out there, to be honest with you, that I just feel like it's just, there's so much out there for you. There really is. And you don't have to pay for any of it. Like, you shouldn't be paying for a Discord, right? Don't pay for anything. The whole goal of this, say your budget is $200. So you only have $200 worth of accounts. And if you don't become profitable, you're done. You need to make that stretch as long as possible to give you the most amount of time. So use free accounts, use cheap accounts. Like, that's the way that I would go about things. Ask a lot of questions. I don't even know if you're still in here, but ask a lot of questions. I answer everybody on this stream. So I would do a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. I hope that answers your question. Yeah, man, I answer every single question in the chat. This isn't like a stream where you're just a nobody. You know what I mean? Like everybody here on the chat is somebody, and I answer your questions. No, I have 25Ks and 50Ks. I got 25Ks, 50Ks, 150Ks. Damn, that just popped big dog style. Holy dude, that was crazy. I'm telling you, what I say, we were going to hit this news wick, right? Damn, man, that's fucking close. I still think we take this news wick out. So for me, my journey was different, man. I started trading stocks, just stocks, back in like 2007. So I got in like right before the financial crisis happened in 2007. So I traded that, basically stocks. And then I traded to 2011, 2012-ish, stopped, got back in 2017 in options. So I was doing stock and options from probably 2017 to about 2023. And then I started getting into futures to kind of hedge my portfolio instead of using options. And then I found prop firms by just looking at that, by getting into futures. And I'll be honest, I thought it was going to be super easy, because if I'm profitable doing these other things, oh, this is going to be easy. It's a whole different animal. So for me to like start breaking even, it was probably like 3 months, 4 months. And then like flopped in the wind for a while, you know, maybe like 6, 7 months, started making the turn to being like making more money than I was using. And now obviously it's really good. Once it clicks, it clicks. I'll tell you this, just through my whole journey of trading everything, there's thousands of ways people trade. There's not one right way, one wrong way. I would find something that works for you, that allows you to see the market how you need to see it. And that's how you should go about it. I would never tell somebody you shouldn't trade that way, because if it works for them, then it works. I've had people show me their strategies and like, oh man, I make money doing this. I look at it, I'm like, dude, this just doesn't work for me. Like, I just don't get it. There's so many different strategies I've seen over the years. And that's why I like talking. Like, I talk to some of you guys in private message or whatever that hit me up about strategies and scripts and things. Like, I'm super interested in seeing how everybody trades, because if I pick up one little nugget of like a cool indicator or something cool, and I really like it, and it worked, and I apply it to my strategy, and my strategy goes to the next level, it's worth so much money. So I always am open to seeing how everybody trades, because it's just one nugget that will take your thing to the next level. You guys know what I'm saying? So keep an open mind, man. You know, like, just keep an open mind. When somebody's trying to tell you how they trade or what they see, let them tell you, because they might have that one little thing that takes, like, if you're doing a profit factor, like, takes you from like 1.3 to 1.5, 1.5, like, it just takes it up and helps you out, or it brings your win rate up 5%. You know, you just never know what you're going to get. So just keep an open mind. A lot of cool people you meet along the way as well. You know, that's why I started hanging out on the stream. I used to watch. Yeah, because they don't give a shit, TJ. That's what I tell everybody. Like, honestly, if you want to learn, you really shouldn't be on any of those streams. They're not going to answer any of your questions. That's the facts. I'm not saying that you got to be here all the time, but like you should be on somewhere where if you ask a fucking question, you get an answer. That's the truth. Because listen, like you're using your own time, you're risking your own money. If you ask a fucking question, they should help you out. That's the truth. Otherwise, you're wasting your time because you're not getting answers. And then if you're blowing an account, then you're really going to be mad. You got no answers, and then you blew an account. I honestly feel like I have a hard time articulating / narrowing down my different strategies. Yo, I'll be honest with you, man. Yo, pop open Chat GPT and just talk to it. You'll be shocked. It might help you out. It's so weird talking to AI, but I bounce questions off AI all the time. Welcome to the TED Talk. I know. Yo, I'm just trying to keep it real for people that don't understand. I'm trying to enlighten minds of people that are trying to get profitable and just trying to speed that process up, but ultimately they have to do the work. But yeah, Coop, like I talk to ChatGPT all the time and ask it questions. It helped me make decisions on all types of things sometimes. That's how I chose my computer just recently. They'll help me with thought processes when I'm running strategies. They'll say, hey, like, listen, this isn't working. Like, we need to make a change here. Like, what do you suggest? Yo, ChatGPT was right. Yo, it's right a lot of the times. Listen, it's so crazy that you're talking to a computer, but like if you get past the fact, yo, I print every day, man. Until tomorrow, after I said that, I'll get my fucking dick kicked in tomorrow. And and Akram will be coming back and be like, yo, what happened today? And I'll be like, no. But nah, I just stick to my strategy, man. Yo, told me to change my name before I even met her the other night. No. But yeah, man. Yeah. I paid the $20 for ChatGPT Pro, and yo, it spits out really good info though. Yo, Cove, I just stopped to say thank you. I withdrew 4K. Oh, dude. Hold on, Jay. Jeez. Yo, I withdrew 4 G's from TBT giveaway account I won on the stream a few weeks ago. Bro, that's fucking awesome. Congrats, man. That's true. That's awesome. I love that shit, by the way. I love seeing people win, man. Save it. Save the money. Put it in your pocket. Withdraw it. Put it in your pocket. Freaking enjoy it, dude. That's what it's about, man. Seriously. Yeah. Dude, love the stories of people winning, man. Dude, I wish everybody in the chat won. We'll get there. Yo, you just got to trade your strategy. Jay, did you do it all in one day or what'd you do? Yo, Nvidia earnings. You got MOC coming out right now, and then Nvidia earnings is going to pop. Just an FYI. 4 Gs. Bro, for a lot of people, that's like life-changing money, man. You make 4 Gs extra in a month. That goes a long way. It pays the rent, pays the mortgage, pays the car. Dude, you probably, you know. Yeah, man, that's awesome. I love getting payouts. Trump told Netanyahu that mediators were working on a letter of intent that both the U.S. and Iran would sign to formally end the war and launch a 30-day period of negotiations on issues like Iran's nuclear program and opening up the strait. Hey, welcome to the chat, Reese. Yo, Akron, I'm not even going to say it. Heading to Capri with my girl in June to celebrate. It took me 2 weeks to build up. That's fucking awesome, man. Enjoy the trip. Yo, subscribe and come back, man. Have a good one. Nvidia earnings after hours. I'm definitely playing. I'm gonna freaking load up a bunch of accounts here. I am trying to decide what we're gonna do. All right. What accounts do I have to fucking YOLO? This account? Might as well just fucking do this one too, right? 26. Oh, this motherfucker, 34 is definitely going YOLO'd. These are close. These are all like right there to pass. This one passed. That one's getting close. I mean, a lot of these are getting close to pass. I don't want to like, I'm not going to fucking destroy an account that's halfway to pass or fucking 75% to pass. So I got 3 accounts. I got 21 is the lead account. By the way, I love this fucking computer. This computer's so good. All right. You blew 2 accounts today? Why couldn't my name be account? Fuck. What happened, Maria? What happened? How'd you blow them? Dude, this is that run up. Did we just hit it? Oh, no. 95 was my target. Oh, hold on one second. I'm trying to see what I want to do here. Yo, you should have waited if you had $200 of drawdown for this. All my shit accounts get offered to the Nvidia gods. That's what I'm doing right now. We're offering to the Nvidia gods. I just have ones that have like a little bit of drawdown left. So I'm just kind of setting that up. Listen, you might actually see some red on my screen. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm only playing Nvidia to the upside, by the way. Just an FYI. I'm only going to the upside. One of them I'm going to get. So this is the problem with Nvidia. I don't exactly know when it's going to come out. I don't exactly know when it's going to come out, but I know it's going to come out. Hold on one second. Let me just freaking. I'm just going to get a little water. Yo, what up? Taco Tuesday in the house. Yo, look how clear my fucking stream looks right now. Yo, I got the new look on my stream. Doesn't it look so much better now? It comes out at 420 every time. You think Jensen does that on purpose? %60 of the time it works every time. You guys didn't know that? Delayed like the Ludes, baby. Dude, I got a problem though. Yo, I'm not going to drift, Amar. I'm not doing that right now. Honestly, I don't think it's going to go down. My general bias is to the upside. Nvidia numbers are going to come out. They're going to look amazing, right? Nvidia numbers. If you think the numbers are going to be shitty, I don't like AI is just growing, right? All these other earnings have told you one thing: AI is growing, right? So if AI is growing and Nvidia is pushing it forward with all the chips, the numbers can't be bad. I don't think you're going to go to the down. Now, it may not hit expectations, but the numbers are definitely going to grow. Like, the company's growing. Let's be real. The company's growing. There's no way the company's not growing. I think I got to go open up my door. Hold on. I got to go open my door. Nvidia is going to pop. It's got to pop. We're leaving at 4:30. I'm back. My bad. My kids are home. My kids are home. I had to, holy shit. Dude, it just hit it. Yo, that was that target. Oh, you just had a hold. How easy would that have been? Dude, you just had a hold. We just hit the target. We just hit the Newswick. Look at that. Right there, Newswick hit. Shoot, we were talking about that earlier. So you drift work? Oh, you played it? Damn, how many points did you get? Did you play that for like 20 points? Just watch out. We just took the Newswick. A lot of the times when you take these Newswicks, it does come back. Just the tip, baby. It's a great short. Holy shit. Look at that. Dude. Yeah, my bias is to the upside. I'm definitely going to play this Nvidia, though. Holy shit, I'm up $3,500 today in my personal account. That's wild. What is AF0? It's Alpha Futures. They were running some deal. This one's a funded account. I have 2 funded accounts. This one's a funded account. This one's the Q makes it funded. Yeah, it's Alpha Zero account. They were $59 all in for a 50K. How do I not buy it? That's what I tell you guys. Like the game within the game is getting cheap accounts, not paying full price ever. Never paying full price, dude. If you want to get one, use code Cove Trader. That deal is over. I don't know what the deal that they got going on right now. The Alpha Zero accounts. Honestly, the best deal in the game right now is Take Profit Traders, 50% off. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, 50% off, code Cove Trader. That's the best deal that's going on right now. Their 25Ks are $1,500 end-of-day drawdown and $1,500 profit. Definitely, Aquaman Futures. I don't know about no Aquaman Futures. Definitely not using Aquaman Futures. That's for sure. I don't want to go. Yeah, Lucid is 50% off also, which is a great deal. Come on. I don't want to start the ducks up because God forbid this comes out early and I miss it because of freaking ducks. I would not be happy. Yo, nobody else has the 1-to-1 drawdown. It's $75, no activation fee. It's almost like a hybrid because it's not really a 25K if you think about it. 25K, the drawdown is usually like 1,000 or 1,250. So you get a little extra money, which is interesting. Yeah, take profit trader. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I definitely went to the wrong one. There we go. I almost used the wrong account. That would have been so awful. Yo, it really is. It's like a hybrid between a 25 and 50, but it's the 1-to-1 ratio is what does it for me. Yeah, but yeah, it is. It is. I'm trying to think of the best way to do the giveaway today. Because I got to go coach after Nvidia earnings. I could run one race, but I can't run like all these fucking races. Do you want to just do like numbers game? I really didn't even think about it until I got the message from the freaking coach. You want to do like 2 number games, and then after Nvidia earnings, I run one race for the winners? No. So here's your options. I'm gonna put your options up on the. I'm gonna put your options up on the screen, and you guys let me know. Here, this is what it's gonna be, right? Yeah, it's kind of your choice. Whatever you want to do, I'm up for whatever you guys want to do. If you guys want to do numbers game twice, we'll do that. If you guys want to do whatever you guys want to do. Oh, or we can race during Asia. You guys want to, everybody on the listen. Sean, are you going to do Asia tonight or no? Asia, China. I can't do. I have to go coach. I can't do like 3 duck races and then the main race. It's just too much. So I gotta pick and choose. Now's a great time for anyone to ask questions though. How do you play numbers game? It's a random number between 1 and 100. You can type as many times as you want. First person to get the number. Just do one big race. Oh yeah, I could do one big race. That's what I'm gonna do, Matt. So we're just gonna do one big duck race. Whoever wins, wins. Matt, I like your thinking. Are you gonna do Asia tonight, Sean? Or are you going out? I hate numbers. TikTok fucking hates numbers. Ah. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna do one race. Yo. Yo, 8 p.m. Asia stream tonight. There you go. Everyone knows. Winner takes all. I don't have 10 grand, but I got the pink slip to my car. I'm only playing to the upside, Eli. If it goes down, I feel like it's only going to flash down a little bit and then go up. So that's my personal bias on Nvidia. Is I think it's only going to go up. If it goes down, I feel like it would only go down a little bit and not enough and then come back. So that's just my personal feeling on it. I mean, listen, here's your public service announcement for this. Ready? If you do not use funded accounts, do not use any evals that are good. I am literally using accounts that have low drawdown. That I am fully okay losing these. Okay? I'm fully okay losing them. There's no stop. These accounts, the drawdown is like under $1,000. I'm okay with it going down and losing it. Just being honest with you. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not I'm fully okay with whatever happens. That's why I just want to be honest with you guys. I'm not using anything good. It's just it is what it is. I just want I just want you guys to be aware of it. You know what I mean? I just don't want you guys YOLO the evals, give away the funded. You can't even give away a funded account. Only if it's a straight to funded. Well, either way, this is how my day finished, guys. So I'm going to just take a fucking screenshot before shit gets fucked up. Actually, I'm going to do the full thing. Now, I forgot. Now that it's on this screen, I can take the full picture of it. When it's on my laptop, I can't get the bottom. It was like, also, I had more SIM accounts. I had like 10 SIM accounts. Listen, if it rockets, it rockets. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm okay with whatever happens. I think that's the difference. Yo, what up, Leo? I'm probably going to move closer as we get closer. I just don't want to get filled. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up, if it stays like this, I'm probably going to go down to like 77. But I want to see, like, this is going to start moving around. What happens is, I'm going to be honest with you. What's going to happen is you're going to get, the orders are going to start getting pulled, and it's going to become real light, and you're going to be able to get wicks. That's why it moves so much, is orders get pulled. There's no liquidity in the market. And then when the news comes out, buys or sells, push it one way or another quick. That's what causes this, nothing else. It was kind of, YOLO, do or die, get rich or die trying. Yo, you got 4 minutes. 4 minutes, guys. Yo, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe below. Say what's up. If you got questions, ask in the chat. Everybody's super friendly here. Yo, I'm going to tell you one thing. I just set my profit close out at 1,500. What the fuck was that? Bro, what the absolute fuck was that? Bro. Yo. I don't know what that, bro, that's like a 70-point candle. I don't know what that was. This is why I don't put my orders in prior. This is why I don't just leave my orders in. It wasn't Nvidia, I can tell you that much. Wow. Probably, Matt. And that's what I was talking about. There's no liquidity. What up, Ivan? There's no liquidity. None. Yo, by the way, if anyone followed me on the Lucid giveaway, and you're in the chat and I didn't follow you back, let me know, because I like to follow everybody on my oh, here's Leo. Boom, follow you right back, bro. I didn't even know that was yeah. I didn't even know. I try to follow everybody. If you don't know about it, we're giving away Lucid accounts. We're giving away Lucid accounts on Friday. So if you want to join, there it is. Oh, baby, it's game time. Let's freaking go. Come on. Come on. If you're new here, what's up, guys? Come on during the regular day. We've been stacking. And it's friendly chat. Is it not 30 after? No, I think it happens at 20 after. Listen, whatever happens, happens. These are all accounts I'm okay with losing. I just want you to be aware of that. Oh. No, I have a My Funded Futures account that's up. I wonder if it fills it. That's a good question. I don't know. Classic sell the news? Maybe, Bull. Listen, either way, the numbers are going to be good. I just don't know know if it's going to beat expectations. How's that sound? It killed my sick account. What happened? I'm not, these are all evals. Okay.
Okay.
No, after this. No, not right now. After. Bro, that was it? Dude, it's good. Oh my God, my kid just walked in when this was going on. No, Nvidia's down a little bit. What? Of course, my kid comes in. I think it's going to bounce back. Let's see if it bounces back. That did not move that much. What do the numbers look like? Bro, what do the numbers look like? Anyone going to grab that? Yo, I might grab it. Hold on. I'm just looking to see what the numbers. Yo, they beat expectations. Yo, it was a double beat. Holy shit, bro. I'll risk the YOLO. I'll risk it right there. This is right at the IB top. That's right at the IB top. Was it one? Yo, you're right. My funded futures won't let me buy. Bro, Nvidia just deuced all over. Bro. I know, Chris. I know. It sucked. Nvidia's barely moved. It's down $4. These accounts are fucked though. I'm okay with doing this. We're gonna see. I'm gonna YOLO it for the stream. You guys didn't come on here to see nothing, so might as well do something. For the stream. Yo, I need Jensen to whip out his new chip. Whip out your big chip on everybody. Show everybody your big chip, Jensen. I know. You can't trade at 5, though.
Order filled.
Did I literally just get top ticked? Tell me I just got top ticked. Go! Push it! Trailing drawdown's a motherfucker. Go! Oh my God. You ever listen to the call? I can't listen to the call. I'm gonna be coaching. I only had $200 of drawdown in that account. That's why it blew. This account I stacked. Yo, my drawdown's down $600 because I was up. I almost passed it and then it came back. All right. I mean, whatever. Whatever. It wasn't the best fucking earnings. Sorry, guys. We're gonna do one big duck race. I hope nobody's deucing over there. This is the first duck race in the new setup. I hope you guys like the new setup. If you're new, we do account giveaways every single day. Whoever won the Cam, you won the numbers game. I'll put you in the finals for tomorrow, my dude. Don't think you didn't get anything out of it. All right. So I just want you to be aware that you are going to be in the finals tomorrow. You're straight to the Penguins. If you guys want to come on, I'll be on tomorrow at 9 in the morning till noon. And then we do 2 o'clock to 4:30. Dude, that was a bad earnings. But whatever, it happens. Other than that, what am I going to say? If you want to support the stream, use code Cove Trader. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's run this shit. Oh, you know what? I almost fucking forgot. We need a little bit of music. Just a little bit. We'll go with whatever I get first. Probably let's see. Probably got to rip the best one, right?
Yeah. MQ to NQ. We scaling up. 106 balls. No luck. Just structure. Man, the initiator.
Who do we got?
Yeah.
Yo, better push.
MQ to NQ. Wake up early, green, low, blue. Coffee black. Future's Q.
It's echoing real bad. I wonder what causing that. All right, we'll go no music. Rigged. I wonder what's causing that. Maybe it's the sensitivity in the mic. Well, I stopped it. It's probably reverb in some bit. I don't know. Listen, it's the first day on the new computer. I'm gonna have issues. There'll be issues. Woo, shit. All right. Yo, what up, Cindy? All right, here's the deal. I got to go coach baseball. Email me. I'm going to get to everybody's email tonight. Asia stream tonight. Sean's going to be on if you want to hang out. Other than that, I shall see you guys tomorrow.